Hi, welcome back. I hope you liked our video in this series where I spoke about economics, the top CUET colleges for economics. As we continue our journey, today I'm going to talk about commerce. What exactly is commerce? Commerce is basically study of trade and business, how businesses happen. So when you join a program in a university for your graduation where you take up BCom honors or BCom pass for that matter, you learn more about investments, you learn about fundraising in a business, you also learn about bookkeeping in a business, how the ledgers are kept, actually how they are maintained. It's a management and marketing of a business. So when you study commerce, you learn how business is marketed basically and how the economic policies affect the decision making of a business. So these are the broader areas which you cover in the 3 years when you study commerce. Of course, you learn more about accounting, you have economics as part of the subsidiary subject as well. So you learn a lot when it comes to this program, and hence the career opportunities are also immense. Very few people talk about multitude of opportunities out here, and a lot of people limit themselves to chartered accountancy or company secretaryship. Obviously, those two are obvious option. ये तो सभी को पता होता है कि when we study commerce, we can definitely look forward to the chartered accountancy program. But there is something called cost and management accounting, which you can also do once you have studied commerce. Not to forget, you can work in the field of actuarial sciences. You can be a company secretary. You can be an investment banker as well, where you are helping people with their investment, with their portfolios. Teaching is one opportunity which most people do not even talk about, but believe me, today teaching is one of the most lucrative career options for a commerce graduate, whether it is teaching in a college or teaching in a school. You can be an internal auditor, you can be a tax consultant, data analyst. So the opportunities are immense. It's just about having knowledge about them actually. So that is something which you should definitely look forward to. Most people who study commerce definitely look forward to doing a postgraduate program in management, which is MBA, to further their career opportunities. Now, which are the best colleges as far as CUET is concerned? No doubt, as I spoke about economics in my earlier video, we spoke about Delhi University. Delhi University remains the top choice of the students when it comes to studying commerce after class 12. So we have a lot of good colleges, including the best one, which is Sri Ram College of Commerce. Then we can look forward to Banaras Hindu University, which is again a central university. We have University of Hyderabad, University of Allahabad for that matter in North India. Two colleges from Mumbai, which are quite a known name, they have become part of CUET since last year. The first one being Narsi Monji College of Commerce and Economics, and the other one is Amrutben Jeevanlal College of Commerce and Economics, the one which we commonly know as Mithibai College. I'm sure now you can recognize this college. So that's again from Mumbai. We have BML Munjal in NCR, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya in Central India at Indore, and of course University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, UPES, Dehradun. So these are the colleges you should definitely keep in your mind when you'll be applying for CUET 2024.